New videos every day.
Stress is a really common problem in today's society. I think we all have times that we feel stressed out, and there's a lot of different things you can do to help with your stress. Something that works for a lot of people is acupuncture, and stress can affect your body in a lot of different ways. It can make you feel tired, it can make you have headaches, it can affect your digestion and your sleep, and acupuncture can help address a lot of those issues. My name is Christina Tolley, and I am a licensed acupuncturist here in Austin, Texas. And I am going to demonstrate a few acupuncture points that are helpful with stress. And they are points that, while you couldn't do acupuncture at home, you could massage the points or have your spouse or a friend massage them for you. I always start when I'm doing acupuncture by washing my hands, and then we use something called clean needle technique. So I have a cotton ball, and I will swab the points with alcohol just to clean them off, since the needles do penetrate the skin. That makes sure that bacteria that are hanging out on the surface are kind of cleaned away. And use a different one for face. I'm going to swab between your eyebrows, so keep your eyes closed. The alcohol can burn if it gets in your eyes. And I'm going to start with a point between her eyebrows. That point is called Yin Tong. It's one of my favorite acupuncture points. It's a very relaxing point. And I'm going to go ahead and needle it, and then I'll talk about it a little bit. I'm going to touch your face. Is that okay? Okay. Actually, I'll go ahead and needle all the points and then talk about them. That way Vanessa can relax a little bit. And I'm going to needle a point called large intestine 4 next. And this point is a very common acupuncture point. A lot of people know this point as the headache point. It has a lot of uses. Okay. I'm going to do a point on Vanessa's foot. Is that okay? I'll do this one. This point is called liver 3. And I'm going to do the points on both sides. For the most part, if I'm doing acupuncture points for more of a functional reason because of their properties, I'll do them bilaterally. If I'm doing something for pain, like if Vanessa had back pain on the right side, I might only needle on the right side. But since these are more for their functionality, I'll do them on both sides. And this one is large intestine 4 again. Is that okay, Vanessa? Okay, good. So the point on Vanessa's forehead is called Yin Tong. It means Hall of Impression in Chinese. And it's where the theoretical third eye would be. So it kind of helps open up the mind, but also it has a calming effect. I remember the very first time I had that point needled, and I just totally relaxed, which was amazing in acupuncture school, which was very stressful. And I like to start on that point with almost every patient that I have, just because it's such a calming point. large intestine 4. If you want to find that point to massage on yourself, maybe I can. It's kind of at the highest point of this muscle. And there's a bone right here, the midpoint of that bone, so right about here, and kind of close your fist, it's at that high point. And that's large intestine 4. That point is good for stress, it's good for headaches, it's good for allergies. It has a lot of applications. And some people will just kind of pinch it if they're having a headache. It's a great point that you can use on yourself. Of course, doing acupuncture can help penetrate a little deeper. And then liver 3 is another very commonly used acupuncture point. It's kind of in a hollow. It's between the first and the second toe. If you kind of just feel down, there's a little hollow. And it's usually tender on women especially. In Chinese medicine, the liver is thought to sort of control the blood. And so women who menstruate tend to have more blood issues, at least in the way Chinese medicine looks at things. And so the liver is often out of balance in women. And liver 3 is a really good point for helping to bring the liver back into balance. It helps do something they talk about, spreading the qi. The qi is kind of the life energy that we have, and it's supposed to flow in a certain way through our bodies. And when it gets interrupted, when the flow gets interrupted, that's when problems start to happen. And this point can kind of help smooth that flow of qi out. It kind of calms the liver down and helps smooth the qi. It's interesting because these points together, liver 3 and large intestine 4, are known as the 4 gates. And they're located on the same place, basically, on the hand and the foot. So they're both between the first and the second digit and kind of about the same distance in. And together, as the 4 gates, they really help to spread the qi and kind of calm things. So altogether, I really like this treatment for stress because it's very balanced and elegant. There's a point on the head, and then there's a point on each hand and on each foot. So it's a very balanced treatment as far as the location of the needles. And again, these are great points that you could stimulate at home, and that would help you feel more relaxed if you're feeling stressed. And if you have the opportunity to try acupuncture, I am sure that these points would help you as well with an acupuncturist. My name is Chrissy Natoli, and if you want more information about my practice, my website is www.chrissieslittlehelingspace.com, CHRISSIES littlehealingspace.com. And thank you so much for watching the video. And if you wouldn't mind, you can give it a thumbs up, you could comment, or you could subscribe. Thank you so much.
If you liked this video, we have hundreds of more alternative videos ranging from sexual health to psychology to mind control. So if you liked it, go ahead and click on me to enter the Psychetruth channel.